You might have just made a mistake that could cost you thousands of dollars in repairs without even realizing it. Millions of drivers are silently destroying their automatic transmission every single day by doing things that seem completely normal. That rushed move you make in a parking lot, that habit you've had for years, all of this is dramatically shortening your vehicle's lifespan. Today I'm going to reveal the 10 worst mistakes you should never make with an automatic transmission. Stay tuned, because some of these mistakes are made daily by almost every driver and cause irreversible long-term damage. Let's get started right away. The 10th mistake is driving through flooded areas. Driving through deep water is one of the fastest ways to destroy an automatic transmission. Every transmission has a vent that equalizes pressure as the fluid heats and cools. When this vent becomes submerged, it can suck water directly inside the transmission case. Once water contaminates the fluid, clutches swell, bearings rust, and corrosion begins immediately. Many drivers don't even realize this has happened until the transmission starts slipping several months later. Water damage can remain dormant for weeks before manifesting with visible symptoms. The 9th mistake is shifting from reverse to drive while still moving. Picture this situation: you're backing out of a parking space. You suddenly spot an oncoming vehicle and quickly slam it into drive while you're still rolling backward. This action forces the transmission to instantly reverse direction. Internal clutches enter into violent collision, releasing friction material particles into the fluid and generating extreme heat. Repeat this maneuver enough times and your transmission will start slipping, followed by total failure. Every time you make this abrupt shift, you're shortening your transmission's lifespan by several hundred miles. The 8th mistake involves believing in so-called lifetime transmission fluid. Car manufacturers claim that transmission fluid is designed to last the vehicle's entire life. What they really mean is the life of the manufacturer's warranty. Stop-and-go city traffic, excessive heat, towing, and short trips destroy the fluid long before it reaches that mythical lifespan. Once the fluid degrades, it stops properly protecting internal components. I personally recommend changing it every 40,000 to 80,000 miles, or every 3 to 5 years, depending on your usage. Degraded fluid loses its lubricating properties and becomes acidic, which accelerates wear on internal metal parts. Before continuing with the 7th mistake, I'd like to ask you something important. If you're finding this information useful for preserving your vehicle and saving thousands of dollars in repairs, just take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Your support gives incredible strength to this channel and motivates me to create even more quality content to help you take care of your automobile. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to check out the sponsor of this video, Europremiumparts. Europremiumparts sells aftermarket parts and accessories for your German cars, be it Carplay kit, paddle shifters, or carbon trims. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. Now let's move on to the 7th mistake that might surprise you. The 7th mistake is shifting to neutral at every red light. Many drivers think putting the transmission in neutral at every stop is beneficial for the gearbox. This is absolutely wrong and even counterproductive. Every time you shift from drive to neutral and back to drive, clutch packs engage and disengage. This repeated cycle unnecessarily wears internal friction surfaces. Modern automatic transmissions are specifically designed to remain in drive during short temporary stops. The transmission's electronic management system is optimized for this usage, and keeping it in drive doesn't generate any significant additional stress. The 6th mistake is accelerating hard when cold. During cold mornings, transmission fluid becomes thick and viscous like honey. Hard acceleration before the fluid warms up leads to insufficient lubrication and delayed pressure buildup in the hydraulic circuits. This extra wear accumulates over the years, even if the car seems to run perfectly fine today. Give your transmission at least 5 minutes of gentle driving to allow the fluid to reach its optimal operating temperature. The microscopic metal particles created by this cold friction progressively contaminate the entire system. The fifth mistake is a big one: shifting into park before coming to a complete stop. That metallic grinding noise you hear when you engage park while the vehicle is still rolling comes from the parking pal trying to stop a moving vehicle. This is a tiny metal part that was never designed to perform this emergency stopping function. If you break this part, the transmission must be completely disassembled to replace a part that costs about $10 but requires several hours of expensive labor. Always wait until your vehicle is completely stationary before engaging park to avoid damaging this fragile mechanism. The fourth mistake is not using the parking brake regularly. This is the mistake that almost everyone makes without suspecting the long-term consequences. Most drivers simply shift into park and walk away from their vehicle without any other precaution. On any slope or incline, the vehicle's entire weight rests completely on the transmission's internal components. The correct method for parking your vehicle is as follows: come to a complete stop, shift to neutral, engage the parking brake, then shift into park in that precise order. This simple yet crucial habit prevents internal mechanical stress that significantly shortens transmission life. The parking pal was never designed to support the weight of a 3,000-pound vehicle on a slope for hours. The third mistake is spinning the wheels when you're stuck. You're stuck in snow or mud, and your instinct pushes you to floor the gas pedal to get unstuck. This action overheats the transmission fluid in just a few seconds. Clutches slip dangerously, seals literally melt under excessive heat, and metal particles circulate everywhere throughout the hydraulic system. Instead of this destructive approach, gently rock back and forth between reverse and drive while using traction aids like floor mats or sand. Fluid temperature can reach 400 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 30 seconds during intense wheel spinning, which irreversibly destroys the lubricant's chemical properties. The second mistake is staying in drive for long periods while stopped. And the key word here is long period, meaning over 30 seconds. When you're stopped in drive, the torque converter is constantly fighting against the brakes while generating considerable heat. During hot days, this situation pushes transmission temperatures into a dangerous zone for internal components. For extended stops like major traffic jams or drive-through restaurant lines, shift the transmission into park and engage the parking brake. This simple behavior modification can reduce transmission temperature by 40 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which represents a huge difference for system longevity. The first and most destructive mistake is overloading the vehicle or towing without additional cooling. Exceeding payload capacity or towing capacity without installing an auxiliary transmission cooler literally cooks your transmission slowly. Excessive heat is the #1 killer of automatic transmissions worldwide. If you regularly tow trailers or campers, an auxiliary cooler isn't optional equipment but absolutely essential survival equipment. Every 20-degree Fahrenheit increase above normal operating temperature cuts transmission life in half, according to technical studies. Modern transmissions can handle high loads for short periods, but cumulative heat from regular towing without supplemental cooling guarantees premature failure. In conclusion, know that transmission failure is rarely sudden and unpredictable. It rather results from thousands of small habits that add heat, wear, and mechanical stress day after day. The most concerning part about all of this is that modern automatic transmissions are so refined and sophisticated that they can hide damage for entire years. By the time you notice symptoms like slipping or jerking during gear changes, the internal damage is already extremely severe and often irreversible. Avoid these 10 common mistakes and your transmission can easily last several 100,000 miles, allowing you to save thousands of dollars in costly repairs. Take care of your vehicle, and it will take care of you for many years to come. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Don't hesitate to share this valuable information with your loved ones who also drive vehicles with automatic transmissions.